My inner Native American is like coming out with this. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a little huge Shein haul. This is gonna be like a last minute vacation outfits type of haul, because I know some of us are having those last minute vacations before fall hits, and Shein is the perfect place to shop last minute vacation pieces. You're not gonna feel like you're wasting money because they're super affordable, and you can save them for next summer or next spring. I do have a discount code with Shein, which is Symphony 15. You guys can get that extra 15% off when you guys use my discount code. All the pieces that I will be trying on in this video will be listed down below. Let's get started with me trying on these last minute vacation pieces from Shein. Okay, first I have this set. This comes in many different colors. Like I remember them having a blue color and an orange color, yellow, but I decided to get pink because Barbie season. I've just been very Barbie inspired lately, so I thought pink will look really cute. This is how short the skirt is. With the top, it just looks like this, and I could have worn it as like a regular halter top or just cross it over like this, but I thought crossing it over would give it more of a look. And then with the pattern, it just looks like this. This is definitely giving me beach vibes, vacation vibes. Ooh, I can see myself wearing this like to Mexico, or what's that one other place, like maybe DR, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, like places like that. And with the material, it's kind of reminding me of like a sweater material in a way, but it's not thick, it just has that stitching feel to it. I did get this in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. It's really stretchy, and this is stretchy too, so if you have big chi-chis, then I feel like there will be no problem for you to wear this. I mainly got a lot of sets, dresses, maybe a few tops in this haul, bikinis, and just many different quick pieces to throw on, because I know if I was on vacation I wouldn't have time to like figure out which outfit, which this, which that. I would just want to throw on something really nice and really cute. Next I have this really pretty flowy dress from the Shein vacay line. I love this dress so much. It is pretty long on me, so most likely I would have to wear some heels. Like it goes all the way down like to the floor. I really do love this dress. Like I love the color. I think they also have different colors as well. It has flowers and roses on it, and then right here it kind of cinches you in a little bit, but it is still pretty stretchy. I did get this dress in a size medium and it fits me perfectly, and it has that little bit of stretch to it still. On the back of it, it does have adjustable straps. This is a really flowy dress. It's not going to feel heavy while you wear it, and it is a pretty thin material. It doesn't have like a double layer to it. This is Shein's cami knit top and knit skirt set, and honestly I don't think I would wear this on vacation, or wait a minute, or I would probably wear this at nighttime, like when it's like kind of getting cold out and you're near the ocean, and when you're gonna feel that ocean breeze, you know what I mean? Because this is pretty thick. Then with the skirt, it's not long, but it just goes all the way to my ankles, so like my legs are kind of like, you know, squishing together a little bit. Like yeah, it is stretchy, but it still has that resistance. I would definitely wear this only at nighttime as like a dinner type of outfit for when you're on vacation. On the back of it, it just looks like this. This is really cute, and this is only under $17 and this looks like it'll be like $30, so I think this was a really good deal. I did get this in a size medium and it's pretty stretchy still. another Shein vacay dress, and I really love this one, but I wish I would have got it in a size medium. This is a size large, but I mean, it still looks really good. It's just mainly the chest area that's kind of like, with the pattern that's all over the dress. It has leaves or palm tree leaves, and I just really love how it looks. And with the blue, yellow, and the turquoise coming together like that, it's just a really nice vacation dress. Other than that, I wish I would have got this in a size medium, but it still fits me pretty well still. So I have this halter bikini with a skirt, and this feels like this is a size small. This is supposed to be a medium, but it's feeling like a small, and I'm not really feeling the size at all right now because of the sides right here. But this is how the bikini top looks. It does have a pearl in the middle, and this is supposed to be a halter type of bikini top because this part is like a halter and this part just ties in the back. I do love the ombre look with the yellow and light pink and pink. It does give off summer vibes a lot. And then with the skirt itself, it is pretty short. It really feels like a size small or extra small. If I were you, I would definitely go a size up or two, maybe two. This part right here is so annoying because it has pearls right here, but it's like too tight. It's like squishing this part, so everything's like bulging out on the sides right here. Next, I had got this Shein vacay split hem tube top. This is too big on me. I should have got this in a size small. Like, it's so big, but it does come with this type of material to it to where it will hold up your chi-chis. For the bottoms, they look like this. It does come with pockets on each side. This top right here just kind of threw it off for me because it keeps slipping down. With the material, it just looks like this. It does come in a green, yellow, black, and a purplish looking color. Yeah, I think it's supposed to look like this because it's looking a little bit extra wrinkly. This is a really thin material, and it does have some padding inside of it. I think you can take it out. Wait, no, you cannot take the padding out, but it's a good thing that it has padding so you don't see through anything. This goes all the way low, like all the way low to the ground, so I would have to wear heels with this set. Next, I have another dress, but this time it's from their Shein Sexy line. And what I really love about this dress is that it's short right here, but then it goes long on this side. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it has that type of style. It's not that long. I could probably still wear sandals with this, but I'll have to be careful and probably lift this side. I really love this part right here because it's very flowy and it gives off spring and summer vibes. It does have like 2 layers to it, so this is the first layer, then this is the second layer, and I really like how it has the white underneath, so these colors could pop out more. And I did have to zip it from the side right here. This does have adjustable straps, so I had to adjust them all the way up here. Overall, this fits really well, and I just love the way it flatters this part of my body and this part as well. But yeah, this is a really cute dress. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite dresses in this entire haul. Well, I know the last one was one of my favorites, but this dress snatches you up. It hugs your body perfectly and it gives you a perfect figure. Like, what? I didn't realize it was gonna look this good. Hold up, let me show you guys the back though. Like, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's snatching me up. Like, this looks so good. I'm trying to figure out if this is from the Shein Sexy line or not. Either way, this is a really nice, good quality dress. It's not thick, but it has like a really like a good material to it. But I really love this part of the dress a lot because it really just gives that nice illusion, like that hourglass illusion. And this is just perfect. Like, I would wear this without being on vacation either because it's like a good overall dress, honestly. It does go all the way to the floor, but it's not dragging. But most likely I would just probably wear some heels with this. This is definitely now one of my favorite dresses that I now own. Like, this fits so good. If you would have went a size up or went a size down, I feel like it will still probably fit you really good. But I'll stick to your normal size if I were you with this dress. So next I have this chevron tube top with this skirt, and I did get this in a size medium. It does fit a little bit thick, so this will be the type of vacation set to where I would wear it at night. This does fit pretty well. It is stretchy right here, but for the bottom part it's kind of like feeling a little bit restrained with this. But I do love this part right here. I love how it looks. Like, it kind of reminds me of the first outfit that I shown you guys, but this one is definitely a little bit more thicker. I had to get this in orange and brown and yellow. It's definitely a vacation type of outfit. I don't really have that much to say about it. It's just a really nice quick throw on outfit to wear while you're on vacation. With this on and with my hair like this, it's kind of reminding me of Pocahontas. My inner Native American is like coming out with this. By the way, I do have Native American in me. My great grandfather is a full-blown Native. Next I have this bikini, and I really love how this part has like a florally look to it. Then it has gold hardware with a pearl, like how the other bikini set did, but this one fits way better. And then for the bottoms, it also has the same thing. This fits perfectly. It's still really stretchy on the sides, and this fits perfectly as well. Next I have this tube top, and it also comes with matching pants. This is how the pants looks. They're super stretchy, and I think I got both of them in a size medium. And then with the top, it just looks like this with the design, and it also has this part so it doesn't slip down. This fits perfectly, and this part is not really doing anything for me since it's already like pretty tight because of this stretchy type of material. Actually, I had got this in a size small, so if I got this in a size small, what did I get the pants? Oh, okay, so I got the pants in a size medium, and I had got this top in a size small. And the pants are pretty flowy. It doesn't come with pockets, but this is how the back looks. This fits really good, and this is really cute to wear. This dress makes me want to go watch the Barbie movie again because, oh my gosh, this is the perfect Barbie pink, and the way that this dress is styled is just reminding me of Barbie. This is definitely a pure Barbie dress. Like, that's all I can think about with this dress. And on the back, it looks like this. Do not mind the wrinkles on it, but I'm sure you guys get how it's supposed to look. It does have 2 layers with this, so this is the first layer, then this is the second. I really love how flowy this dress is. It's so pretty and girly and just very flowy. I could just imagine my hair being really nice and curly, or wearing my hair slicked back with this dress. I did get it in a size medium, and it fits perfectly. The length of this dress goes all the way like right above my knees, so this is like the perfect length. Hi Barbie. I only have 2 more pieces that I have to show you guys. I decided to pair these pants with this top because I just didn't feel like getting a different pair of pants, and this doesn't look bad at all, honestly. I did tuck this in, so I'm just gonna leave it like that and just kind of have it out like that. But I love this material. Like, do you guys hear that or see that? I really like how this looks. And this is from their line Shein Frenchy. I really love how the straps are pearls, and then to put it on, all I have to do is like attach it to the hook with this hole right here. I don't know if you guys can see the hook like that, or the claw. And yeah, just really love this top, and most likely I'll probably wear this top with some straight leg jeans, maybe leggings, depending on the look. But I can see this top being like a all year round type of top. Then lastly, I have this top, and it is from their Shein Sexy line. I had got this in a size medium, and I'm glad that I did. I decided to pair this Shein skirt with this top. This is how the top looks, and all you have to do is tie it in the front, and this is how the design looks on it. It fits perfectly, and I have no issues with this top. I love the color of it. It's like the perfect vacation orange. This is like the perfect orange to wear all year round, and you don't even have to wear it just for a vacation only. I hope you guys enjoy this last minute vacation outfits try on haul from Shein, and let me know if you guys are going to do some last minute vacations, or if you're just wanting to shop on Shein. Do not forget to use my discount code Symphony15 to get that extra 15% off. Like, comment, and subscribe to join the Harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.